Hello and welcome back again to another episode of Military Advance. Russia has managed to keep itself relevant in the 21st century by using exotic weapons that make headlines, including massive nukes that are far larger in scale than anything Uncle Sam has to offer. Although economic sanctions have negated most of the country's military modernization efforts, with nuclear weapons such as the RS-28 Sarmat ICBM and the Status-6 Marine Multipurpose System submersible drone, Russia could inflict greater destruction on its current targets than at any point during the war. Cold. Predictably, the more the United States poured money into defense programs, the more the Soviets did in turn. Russia's massive nukes aren't really about strategic capability, so much as they're about perception, intimidation, and economics. Whether or not this effort will be successful, however, is yet to be determined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on other awesome videos.